Hey guys, what's going on? Okay, so today we're doing the first pizza on Cooking with Jack. We're doing a seafood pizza. I did a seafood chili on Chili Month. I've never done a seafood pizza. It's gonna be interesting. Didn't go with a lot of seafood. Didn't want to overwhelm the pizza. So come on in close and I'll show you what I got. First of all, as you guys know, I don't like to bake. I don't like to make dough, not that much. But I will do some baking during the holidays. So I picked up the pie crust at Publix. It's already made, already rolled out. I unfold it, then we can top it. Okay. I got some pizza sauce. This is a big thing of Old Bay seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle that on top. These are smoked salmon bites. Okay. They're already cooked, I think. If not, they're gonna be cooked anyway. Then you got crab. Then you got tilapia. That's it. I could have put in a ton more, but I thought, no, this will be good. So let's get this laid out and see what's up. I don't know about you guys. I like a lot of sauce on my pizza. So I'm going to sauce it up a little bit more. All right. So I'm going to put cheese on first, a little bit. Not the final cheese, but enough to make it stick. So my goal is to sandwich the toppings. Okay, so let's do salmon bites. Place them around there. We're going to do crab. We'll let it be stringy. Okay, and then we're going to place tilapia. Now we're going to slice through this when we slice our pizza. Top this off with Old Bay seasoning. 400 between 10 to 12 minutes. So when your crust is done and the cheese is melted, which we got to do the last layer of cheese, so it all melts together. All right, let's pop this in the oven. Okay, guys, it just came out. It's cooling right now. Beautiful color. All the cheese is melted, starting to brown a little bit. It's perfect looking. I have no idea what seafood's gonna taste like on a pizza. Okay, let's try this out. It's beautiful. Came out good. Give that a try. Took me by surprise. It's a weird combination, but it flipping works. In fact, Junior just saw the picture of this. He's heading over right now. But yeah, that came out really good. Wow. I've only seen I've only seen one place put salmon on the pizza. But this all works. Try this out. If you can buy crab, go with the invitation if you have to. Go with shrimp. I thought about doing shrimp too. So First pizza, home run. The combination tastes weird at first, but it flippin' works.